Hello y'all, welcome back to another video with India. And today we have another wig install. Today this video is sponsored by Tinashe. I have in this cute little short curly bob, and I'm gonna read the specific details. It is specifically the Brazilian curly short bob wig. It is 10 inches and this is a 4x4 closure, guys. It's not a frontal, as you can see. It's just the 4x4 closure. And also this wig or this install is completely glueless, so I didn't use any glue, no got-to-be, no spray, no nothing. It's literally just the elastic band that's back here, and yeah. But before we get into the actual install, I of course just want to show you guys the packaging, the box that they sent it in, and just show you guys what all it came with. So here's the description in there again. I don't know if I just said, I feel like I just said 10 inch, but it's actually 14 inches. My bad, that's the only thing I got wrong though. So first off, they just have like a little card in here, a little information card, how to take care of the hair, about their company, all of that. And then they have a little goodie bag of stuff, which we always love. There's like quite a few things in here, so I'm gonna just pull out. All right, so first off, they sent me a little rat tail comb and it's pink. How cute is that? Love that. Next, they sent me some clips, y'all. I actually don't have any clips like this that the girls be using to like clip up their hair. They're so cute. So they sent me some of these. We have wig caps, of course. I actually used one of the wig caps that they put in this box today, so always comes in handy. And then this looks like a bonnet, a cute little purple bonnet. Y'all, I'm racking up on bonnets, I'm not gonna lie. Very cute. And then they also sent me a little wig band, elastic band to hold down the lace, and it says Tinashe. Love, love, love those. They sent me a little edge brush. It's always good to have these because, you know, yours get old. You having to buy new ones, so love that. And then last but definitely not least, they sent me some lashes, of course. And these are cute. I would definitely wear these. 3D mink, I know that's right. So yeah. That is the packaging. That's all that they sent in the box. I want to thank Tinashe, of course, for all of that and for sponsoring this wig once again. So if you guys want to see how I did this install, how I got this glueless cute curly bob look, definitely continue watching the video. And yeah, hope you guys like it, and let's get into it. All right, you guys, so we're just going to get into it. I probably did the intro already, so we're just gonna go ahead and start. Of course, I'm starting with a cap, hair push back. I just push back. I have on my cap. There's makeup on the cap that matches my skin. Y'all know what it is by this time. And today we're doing a glueless install on this Tinashe wig. So I already know the details of the wig, but let me just say it one more time. This is a Brazilian curly short bob wig from Tinashe Hair. As y'all can see, it's short and cute, real curly, curls for the girls. Real cute, real cute. And it's 10 inches and it is a closure wig, not a frontal. And this is probably like one of my first few times installing a closure wig. I don't usually install closure wigs, so I'm excited. And I feel like this is gonna be real easy, real cute, real quick because it's a closure and I'm doing it glueless, completely glueless. And yeah, so let's just jump into it. So first of all, inside the wig, y'all could probably see because I didn't do it the neatest, but I sprayed this airbrush legs, Sally Hansen. This is what I use to tint my lace. So I just sprayed that inside of the closure. And then the wig comes with this elastic band already for security. And then I also just made these little elastic things as tight as I could, since we are doing it completely glueless, so that everything could stick and stay. So now I'm gonna just put it on and see what it's looking like. Hopefully it's tight enough. So alright, y'all, the wig is on my head and it is pretty tight and secure, so I don't think the glueless is going to be an issue. And literally all we have to do is cut the lace, do the edges, wet the hair up, and we're good. So, and I also plucked the hair. Might have over plucked a little bit, but it's fine. So I of course want to do a middle part because this is a 4x4 wig, so we don't have a lot of space to work with. This is cute. It's giving I don't know, I feel like it's making me look older. And what I'm gonna do, I have my hot comb right here all heated up. I'm just gonna hot comb around the part just to make sure everything is flat and good before we cut the lace. Alright, so now that I kind of got it how I want it, I'm going to take my little razor and just start cutting the lace off. Lace is cut. So now I'm just going to pull out some edges, and I'm just going to do 2 on each side. And I'm going to take my razor again and cut the edges. Alright, and I'm gonna go in with some mousse just to try to separate the hair from the edges and also get it flat. And this is just a random mousse. It's the African Pride Moisture Miracle Rose Water and Argan Oil Curl Mousse. So we're gonna use this to define the curls as well. But yeah, I just went in with that so we could separate the hair from the edges. And then I'm going to put the mousse on the edges so we can begin to lay them down. And then on top of the mousse, I'm just going to go in with this extreme gel for a more secure hold on the edges. The mousse just kind of helps me form it, and then the gel like really sets it in. Alright, so once I have my edges done, I'm just going to lay it down with my elastic band. And no, there is no glue on this hair, but this is just going to help set it into the skin even more, I feel like. So, now we're going to define these curls. So I'm just going to go in with this big brush, big comb, wide tooth comb. And just first comb it out and detangle it. Make sure there's no tangles. All right, boom. Okay, so it's all combed out, and now I have these water bottles just filled with some water, and I'm just gonna start spraying so we can start defining the curls and whatnot. Ooh, I was about to say. So now I have this detangling brush, and I use this when I have my curly wigs because it helps detangle and define the curls for wigs and for natural hair. So these little detangling brushes are good for this as well. Alright, so now that I've sprayed the water, I'm just going to take this curling mousse that I was talking about earlier and use that to further define the curls. So I'm going to just put some in my hands and just go through. And the curls are already looking like juicier, so love that. And then again, just going through with the detangling brush to make sure that's all in there and evenly distributed. I'm actually excited for this. I was kind of scared for this because I've never really had like a short curly number, but I'm a little excited for it. I feel like it's gonna be cute. So this is what we're working with. I think I'm done defining them. I'm just gonna leave it alone. I'll show you that. Cute, right? All right, so what I'm gonna do is go and do my makeup and let this like air dry a little bit while I do that, and then I'm gonna come back, show y'all the finished product. Hopefully it is super cute. So yeah, I'll be right back. Y'all, I'm back. I just did my makeup. The hair has dried a little bit. It's still a little like damp, but I like how it is looking. Very excited. All right, so I'm just going to take off the elastic band, see what's popping. All right, this is what it's looking like, y'all. It looks like I used glue for real, like. Alright, first off, since I did my makeup, I feel like there is like a little line because, you know, I had the band on. So, give me a second. Alright, I'm gonna just take my beauty blender and kind of try to like blend that line out because I did do my makeup, so I feel like that, yeah. And then the last thing I'm going to do is take my Black Radiance palette and a small little brush and just go over the lace to try to make it look a little bit more natural, because I did not bleach the knots on this or anything. So yeah, I'm gonna go down the part as well. And now that I'm done with that, this is it. This is what we have. Again, y'all, this was completely glueless. Like, I could stick my comb through here. Completely glueless. And it looks really good. Like, it doesn't look or feel like it's glueless. It feels like it's glued down, but it's really not. I just feel like this is real cute, fun. And yeah, I hope y'all liked this quick and fast glueless install. If you want this look, definitely shop with Tinashe. The link to this wig specifically and just their website in general will be in the description box, as well as all the wig details. Hope you all enjoyed this. Definitely give this video a like, comment, subscribe. As always, thank you all for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye. Hey guys, I just wanted to insert this little clip because after I did this video, I went to class and I put it up in this cute little hairstyle, and I just wanted to add this into the video because it's so cute. The wig is like completely dry now, so it's also a little bit bigger and fluffier. But isn't this the cutest thing? Okay, now this is really the end of the video. Thank you guys again for watching, and goodbye. Stay tuned because there's more to come.